What's up guys, Todd with Velocity. We're back here with another Foxbody Mustang update for you. So we're in the detail shop. These guys are hand block sanding the entire car. So what they're gonna do is they're gonna start at an aggressive grit sandpaper, about 800, and work their way up to 5,000. What this does is this knocks down all the high spots and creates an extremely smooth, slick surface. After they're done with this, they're gonna go through a several different stage polish, and they're gonna start at a more aggressive grit and then work their way up to a fine polish until we have an absolute mirror finish on this thing. So when we say cut and polish, a lot of people don't quite understand what we mean, because cut and polishing are pretty much the same thing. So we use cut, which is a much more aggressive polish and compounding, in order to get rid of the texture in the paint. And then we step up to a finer grit, a polish, and then that brings the shine and the depth out of the paint. In order to get the different levels of cut or aggressive polish, we use different methods. And so we're not only going to use a different cream or a different compound for the polish, we also have different pads that we can use. Then we can mix and match our level of aggression in our pad and our polish and have the perfect combination for whatever phase we're in. Our detail shop guys and girls are absolutely wizards at what they do, and they're the reason why this thing is going to shine like an absolute mirror. So thanks for following along, and make sure to stay tuned for the next update.